Who we got right here, man? Y'all know who he is, man. Uh-oh.
I ain't worried about him.
Uh-oh.
You know what I'm saying? You got that little man complex. I'm going to get him
one in the break.
And I'm going to run the motor and run his ass down. Watch.
Ooh, I know the motor.
Run you down. I know. You ain't going to catch me. I'll take that back. You ain't going to catch me.
Tell him, man. Tell him where I ain't going.
Hey, look. He gonna put too much of that shit on. He gonna blow that motherfucker. Hey, he said girls race come now. Come on. That motherfucker.
You see, he got that trigger on there. It's going down, man.
Hey,
show y'all what's going down. What's the word, bro? Tell it. You out here? Nah. Malibu. Melrose is going down. Malibu, Melrose, y'all. Grudge race. I told y'all, man, it's just gonna be one of them. It's gonna keep going. We're gonna get 10, 12 minutes in this. We're gonna continue it to the next video and keep going on and on and on and on and after that, man. Uh-oh, it's hot and spicy time. How y'all like it, man? Marrow or boo? Nah, I think he's getting like one in the break or something like that. How it is, Sam? What's going on?
car in the break, out the back door.
Laying that sticky icky down. Laying that sticky icky down. I remember what happened last time with that. Hey, drop it in the comment section. Let me know which way y'all like it. Railroad or boo? Railroad or boo? Getting the car in the break. Car in the break. Car in the break. It's on. A lot of stuff going on with this, man. Hey, it's on and popping though. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, he patted on him. Oh, he patted on him. That's one of the most disrespectful things to do in racing, man, when you pat on them, man. That's all I can say. When you behind and somebody patting on them, that mean they ain't even get they all in. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's part of racing, man. Somebody gotta win, somebody gotta lose.
He lost anyway. He jumped and it wasn't matter.
What?
He jumped and it still wouldn't matter.
Oh, that's it, my boy. What's up?
I told you I was gonna run his life, but I ain't tell you I was gonna womp his motherfucking ass. That bitch been talking shit for 2 months. Matter of fact, since last summer. Last summer. Ain't sprayed that weak bitch and I ran on balls. Fuck him up.
Hey, man.
I'm not even down. It was gonna be some bullshit because I left before the man. Did you see me leave before him? Did you see me leave before him? said something. I ain't better too shit. Hey, all money in the pot though. I ain't trying to get none of that. Run us our bread, G. Run us our bread. Hey, listen, run my bread. This shit go a whole different way. Run us our bread. I ain't gonna hold. All right, run my peso. All right. But I taking my bread. I taking my bread. Run us our bread. I taking my bread. Run us our bread.
Any kind of race, what is something that is not I don't get involved with it. Let Jody have it. I don't get involved with it. That's all I'm saying. No, everybody knows me.
No, we're not coming to you.
That's it.
Talking about you said
It's always some bullshit with the grudge racing, but hey, that's what it is. You feel me? That's why all us come out here to get out and play, and that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? People gonna get in. Hey, they throw them hands, they throw them hands. If they don't, they don't. It's all love at the end of the day, but at the end of the day, people just ain't going for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know exactly what the stipulations was on that race and nothing like that, but hey, in my eyes, the Malibu won. You know what I'm saying? That's what I saw. So that's just me personally speaking. I don't know the steps, so my opinion might not even matter to anything. You know what I'm saying?